Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be covering a simple but important topic: how to stop anyone from posting on your Facebook profile. Whether you're trying to keep your profile more private or just don't want others posting content on your page, this guide will walk you through the steps. Let's get started. First, let's open Facebook on your computer or mobile device. Tap the menu icon top right corner of the screen. Then tap on Icon Settings in top. In the Settings menu, look for a section called Profile and Tagging. Click on it to go to the next page. Under the Profile and Tagging section, look for the option that says Who can post on your profile. By default, this is set to Friends. Click on the Edit button next to this setting. You'll now be able to change who can post on your profile. Select the option, Only Me. This will ensure that no one but you can post on your Facebook profile, keeping your wall clear of any unwanted posts. And that's how you can stop anyone from posting on your Facebook profile. It's a quick and easy way to take control of your privacy and keep your profile looking just the way you want it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tech tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.